So, hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are enjoying the shots and everything which I'm sending. Many people were asking me where are my candles and where are my usual things which I bring, but the sale is coming. So, even in future when the sale is not happening, you can see this. I'm bringing a very powerful justice kit, and I had tried this for two cases in the near future, and I got 100% success rate in that. So that's the reason I thought I should bring it to the whole world. And most of you all know, in Hoodoo I'm doing a lot of new things, and I'm bringing a lot of new things. And these candles which I'm making based on Hoodoo are basically candles which will be energized, or which will be worked with respective orishas, respective offerings, respective libations, respective invokings, everything respective. So that's the reason why when it comes to Hoodoo based candles, I'm very specific that people pick it up from me, because in India there are very less Hoodoo Babaloas or Oriates. I would count and say maybe two or three, and not more than that. So that's the reason, if you're picking it, it is better you pick it from a proper Hoodoo guru in India, so that you get the desired results. That's actually more important. So coming to the thing, what is it that I'll be giving you all? Now this is one candle called as the Ochosi candle. Ochosi is the warrior of justice, and he believes in bringing justice. And with this I give a combination of Shango, all right, and a combination of Oya. Now why Shango and Oya, I would like to tell you all, because Shango and Oya are husband wife. But at the same time, what Oya does, Oya removes stagnation. Oya brings speedens the process. Oya helps in things moving faster. If something is stuck, then it has to move fast. That is what is Oya's work, and that is what Oya also believes in. And Shango and Ochosi are partners, are good friends. So they work towards justice in the society. Now, when I say justice, what justices can I say? Mainly legal cases, court cases, divorce cases, separation cases, and where your money is stuck, you're not getting your money back. There's a recently I had done for a person who was in jail for, and he had actually gone through his whole, whatever was his term, that full year term statement, and still he was not coming out. He was not knowing the reason why, and they were waiting for nearly 6 months, and then they came to me, and then I did a reading for them, and then I told them what are the reasons behind this thing getting postponed and all. And then I told them that I will do the ritual, and I had done this ritual. And I guess in 3 months that person was out of jail, and now he's living very happily with his family, with his sisters and sisters' children. He's very happy now, and he had a lifetime, I guess 14 years imprisonment, something, from which he came out. I had given to one more person whose loan was stuck, because the money was not coming to him, and his papers of the home loan got stuck. In Corona time something happened, and the bank was not ready to accept. So I gave them also this, and they tried this ritual. It happened beautifully. But now these are Hoodoo rituals, right? So you might wonder, can I do this ritual? Is it safe? It is safe, but you'll have to keep certain offerings. For example, when you pick up these candles from me, I will tell you which day to start and what to do. Now when you're picking it up as a kit from me, I also send you all a personalized giri giri bag. Now this giri giri bag, what does it do? It will help you in getting success in your court case, because you'll be carrying it with you. And I'll also be sending you the ochosi oil, which you'll have to apply in your palms whenever you go for the hearing. So now when you pick it up, as I said, I'll be telling you all which day to burn and all. Now you might wonder why the day changes. Again, as I said, I work with my own way of readings in Hoodoo, and I tell the clients, that is a specialized service which I give. When you pick it up from me, I go through the situation, and then I do a personalized reading, and then I tell them which day they should start or what they should do. Now coming back to the thing, that offerings is needed. So what are the offerings that is needed? You will have to keep black eyed peas for him. Now black eyed peas is easily available in the market, and for Shango we will keep apples. For Oya we will keep brinjals, all right. And we will also keep one coconut separately for Elegua, because Elegua only brings all these orishas from the gates, because he's a gatekeeper basically. So orishas enter our world as spirits or as orishas to help us only with the help of elegua. So these are the offerings we'll be keeping. Now the day I tell you all to do, again I will be telling you all to do it for how many days based on the reading I get for you all. That is what I will be doing. So those days all these offerings will be kept. Like for example, if you take black eyed peas, I don't know what is black eyed peas called in Hindi, but it's easily available. It's a sort of a bean with a black dot. So I'll ask you to boil it and keep it, and I'll ask you to keep 3 apples for Chango. Sometimes I ask you to keep even 7 apples for Chango, and brinjals. Again, whole brinjals, or you can cut the brinjal and roast it and cook it and keep it for Oya, along with one whole coconut for Elegua. And I will tell you all how to pray. So you will pray with it, and then you will, how to pray is not a big thing. Matlab, like, you will first burn maybe a plain red candle and black candle for Elegua. Then you will burn ochosi candle, which is this one, because this candle comes with his symbol also for more energies. And then you will burn the Chango candle. Now followed by the Chango candle, you will burn the Oya candle. So this is a stepwise process which you will be burning, and you will be doing it so that you get the best results. And believe me, till date I have solved just 2 or 3 cases with them, but whomever I have suggested this, they have seen beautiful changes in life. So it does come in sale also, but even and otherwise I have this kits available with me. So if you want to pick it up, you can always WhatsApp to me, and I will tell you all the charges. And do I do rituals? Yes, I do rituals. I am taking up rituals and doing, but only thing is, I always tell my clients ki you also try, then you will know what is the difference and how energies work. And when I work with my own energies, the way of working is completely different. When you work, it's completely different. But yes, my sincere request is, pick up the candles only from proper hoodoo gurus. And because hoodoo candles are, every candle is made just the way you pour it, but the way of energizing, feeding it, working with it is completely different. And the mojo bag, the giri giri bag also will have certain details from you, which I will be taking it, and then I will be making them and sending it to you. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I am planning to bring one more video with a new oil which I had made, but with candles, so that you will know how to make use of it with the candles. And do let me know whether you like the video, and do let me know what is the other video you want me to bring, and I would love to bring videos for you. God bless you all. Always stay blessed and stay happy. Thank you.